And I was like, yo.
I'm literally like freezing, but it's fine. So for today's video, wait, hello? Okay, so I'm literally editing and I forgot my intro. Like I didn't know what to say, so I just like kept on talking and then I didn't do my intro, and like I kind of feel bad because like it doesn't feel like my normal video, so I'm just gonna say my intro. Guys, what's up? I'm kristayye. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing a Princess Polly like little try on haul, like clothing try on haul. So they sent me these clothes and I'm not like sponsored by them, so I'm not lying, so like everything I'm saying is 100% my opinion. So yeah, bye. But if you guys are interested in the clothing, everything is from Princess Polly, so I'll link them down below. And I also have a code, so if you want to save money, live better. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna get copyright. Am I gonna get copyright? I don't even know. It's kristayye20. You guys can just use that for your coupon or whatever you say it. Highly recommend their website. They ship really fast, and I think they do free US shipping if you spend more than like $70, which I think is really good. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started because you guys probably don't care what I'm saying. So the first thing I got, I think, is really cute crop thingy, and it has red stripes and black stripes, and it's just really, it's cropped. Like it's supposed to be very cropped, so if you like cropped shirts, this is really cute. It's like loose on the sides, and as you can tell, I wore it the other day, so like, but I think this looks so cute with like high-waisted jeans or shorts and like a belt. I don't freaking know. I think it's really cute. I feel like anyone could rock this, and I have it in the size medium. Like it just makes you look like you tried for your outfit, so I really like that. Okay, so the next thing is, I'm just grabbing random stuff. So the next thing I actually really like is this belt, and it's super cute. I have trypophobia, which means like I have a fear of like small little holes, so I'm not gonna look at the holes. But I feel like it's just like the material is really nice. It's not like cheap where it looks cheap, but it's really cute. You can wear this with like any outfit, and it's really cute. I feel like it'll just make your outfit look a lot like more grunge, I guess, and like Instagram baddie like, and I really like this. I feel like anyone could rock belts. This is actually a really good price, and I think it's super cute. It's perfect to pair with like mom jeans or dark pants or dark jeans. I can't talk. The thing that I got is super cute, and I also stained it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I stained it because I was wearing it to school and I'm messy and I was eating, and then I got freaking food on my shirt, so I'm really sorry, but it just shows how much I like it. So, and it's just not plain back. And it's not only plain back black, but it has like this really cute like lettering on it, and it says "Have a nice day" and these little flowers on them, which I think is really cute. And this is so cute. It also has like the brand on the back of the collar. The material is really soft, and I feel like it would look good with like mom jeans or just like any thing. It'll look cute. I don't know. I think this would look so cute like tied up or cropped or anything. Put all the links to everything that I got in the description, by the way, if you guys are interested. You don't have to search it up or anything. Next thing I got is so freaking cute. I think this is one of my favorite things that I got, but it's so freaking cute. It's just like this cotton t-shirt, and it has a Wrangler and really cute. It's kind of cropped, but not too cropped where you're gonna get dress coded, and the material is super good quality. Like it's not cheap or anything. Like it feels like really bougie. The next thing that I got is kind of random, like not gonna lie. This is so cute. I think this is also another one of my favorite things that I got. Don't judge me. So I got socks. I know, out of everything on the website, I got socks. But let me tell you why I got those, because they're so freaking cute. Okay, wait, that's not flamingos, and they're pink on pink socks, and I think these are so cute. Like these would look good with like platform shoes or just Vans, like old school Vans. I'm sorry, that's just such a cute outfit. Like I don't know, I feel like socks just pair everything together if you want to match your outfits. It has flamingos on both sides, and I think it's adorable. And it comes with, it's a 2-pack, so it comes with another one. These are like plaid. I used to have like shirts like this when I was little, and it's just so cute, and I love the material, and it's also pink. Like I said, I think it's adorable. I really like that. And yeah, this would just make your outfit look 10 times cuter, and just like, I don't know, I feel like this is just so much to your look. But also I love socks, so yeah. The next thing that I got is also freaking adorable. So it's inside out. Like all this stuff is inside out because I wore it like all the time. I feel like this just makes your look okay. So this is what it is. It's kind of hard to like show, but it's like this corduroy. Oh my god, I know how to say it, but I can't say it. Corduroy. Ah, okay. I can't say it, but it's just really, really cute. And I got this in the size 8, and they have like different sizing. For US, it's usually like small, medium, large, or like extra small, extra, you know. But they have like number sizes, and if you're not familiar with like their sizing, there's also a chart. So I think 8 is like medium. I'm not sure. I don't really know. Like basically overalls, but they're short overalls, so it's really hard to explain. But it's black, and you basically tie it on your shoulders, so they have little bows on your shoulders, and there's little pockets in them. I think this is so cute. This would look so good with like that motel, like that yellow crop thingy. It's like, I don't know, I think this is so cute and like summery and springy, and it's adorable. I feel like anyone could rock this, and it's just like one piece, so you don't have to try. You can just put this on, and I feel like it's so cute. And this would look so good with like white Converse and shorts or something. But these are shorts, so you don't have to buy separate shorts. You can just wear these and like a shirt underneath, and I think it's so cute. The next thing I got is actually really out of my comfort zone, but I think it's so freaking adorable. So it feels really, really nice and like summery and light, and it has a zipper. So it's just this dress with these little flowers on them, and I think it's so cute. And it has a bunch of flowers on them, and it's red, and I feel like it's just so cute and loose, and you could tie it around. So I put a little bow on it. So cute and like flowy, and I have no girlies on my chest to rock this, but I think it's so cute. I feel like anyone could rock this, like even if you're flat like me, if you're thick, like this would look so good on anyone. It's just so cute, and it has little flows on the bottom. It's really flowy and just really, really, really cute. If you want to wear this to school or something, I feel like this would look cute with like a denim jacket, or like the teddy jackets everywhere. I don't know, I think it's so cute. They sell different brands, so it's kind of like Dote, but they sell a bunch of other brands, which I think is really cool, because a lot of the times like things are out of stock on the website, and then Princess Polly has them, which I think is really nice. They have like these really cute bands like you never see in the website or like in store, and I think they're adorable. So the shoes that I got are these really freaking cute white shoes. They're from Princess Polly, like I said, and they're just really, really cute. They are white, and I think they're so nice. So I got these white shoes, and I think they're so cute. They kind of remind me of like tennis shoes or like golfing or bowling shoes. I don't remember. They're just white, and they have white laces, and they're platforms. It's a little bit taller, which I really like because I'm short, and they could just make you look a lot taller, especially if you're short like me. Like they kind of remind me of like Fila's and Vans and Air Forces like in one. I don't know, don't attack me, they probably don't. And like Adidas, I don't know, they remind me of that, and I think they're so freaking adorable. White shoes look good with any outfit. Like I don't know, I think they're really, really cute. And yeah, that is everything that I got. So I'm editing, obviously. This video is really, really, really short. Like I tried making it longer, but like I just didn't possibly make it shorter or longer. Also, okay. Also, I'm really sorry for literally not uploading in like 3 weeks or 3 weeks or whatever. But I've been really lazy for like the past 3 weeks, and like I've been really busy and lazy at the same time, if that makes sense. Now I'm back in the mood, and I'm really, really excited to like post more and film more videos, so expect more content coming soon. Thank you for watching to the end. This video is so short. Like I honestly like don't know how to make it longer without me rambling, so I'm just gonna have to make this video kind of short, so sorry. I love you guys so much, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.